Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now here we've got the eye comfort shield, so we can turn it on. And just by tapping on the switcher, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can leave it like this or you can customize it. So let's simply tap on this option. And as you can see, we've got two different modes from which we can choose. We've got the adaptive one, which is currently applied, and basically it is your device will automatically adjust the screen and the level and the intensity of the feature based on the light conditions around you. Or you can set the custom mode and you can choose everything freely. So let me try to show it to you. Let's simply tap on the custom. As you can see here, we've got the switcher with the color temperature, which will basically change the intensity of the eye comfort shield. By going to the left, you can make it much cooler. Maybe it is still visible, but it is really a light effect. And by going to the right, you can make it really warm. As you can see, it is almost, I think it is orange. Yes, it is definitely orange. Of course, set the color temperature just like you want to, accordingly to your own personal preferences and accordingly to what is the most comfortable for you. You can set the schedule, so always on is the manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You've got it also you've got the custom option, which means that you can freely pick the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. And you can also set from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, as you can see, location based, so it's up to you. I prefer always on. What is more, here we've got also this enhanced comfort option, which means that your device will adjust the colors and the contrast for more comfortable viewing at night. You can try it just by tapping on the switcher or turn it off. It's up to you. Alright, so this is the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and in order to have much faster access to this option, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and as you can see here, we've got the section which is connected with with our screen, so whether it is light or dark, we can change the brightness here, and the eye comfort shield is also here, which is quite nice because it is usually in this section, so we have to find it, look for it, etc. But right now it is kind of highlighted here, so all we have to do is to tap on it to apply the eye comfort shield and tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.